And welcome back to the tutorial of Java. In this video, we are going to see what is command and argument and how we can fetch the data or input from the user side using command line argument. The Java command line argument is an argument that is passed at the time of running the Java program. In Java, main method is differ from other languages, which is the parameter args as string args. The value of command and argument is passed from the console at the time of executing the Java program and stored into the string args. Args as an array is nothing but an array of a string. When a program is executed, the runtime system passes the command and argument to the program's main method via array of the string. The Java command and argument is an argument like a regular method by passing actual parameter. The Java application can accept any number of arguments from command line argument. The main difference from the simple program is how to compile the file and how to run the file. Compiling the file is regular as javac, name of file and .java as an extension. Now to run the file, java space name of that class and argument that you want to pass as an input to the user. It can be number of argument as arg 1, 2, 3 up to n. Let's understand this with the help of example. In this example, I have simply written as class name, public static void main as a string args. With this help of this name, we can pass the input to the user using command line argument. Here I have written as system.out.println. Your first argument is in double quote, means this line will be simply printed as shown in front of your screen. Now as a concatenation, I have used plus operator and written as args of 0, means args as a array. 0 indicates that number of index is first. Here I index 0 means the value that you pass or the first time will pass as a args of 0. Let's take an example. Suppose in this example, I have defined class name as CL example, public static void main and string args. Now to print something, the first value from argument is equal to, now as a concatenation plus operator and the name that you pass through the command line argument is this args as an array. Means suppose I have going to write as args of 0 means first value that you pass in command line argument. Means I simply write as the first value from command line argument is equal to and plus args of 0. Means at a console screen the first word that you pass will store in this args of 0. Let's compile and run this file. Now to compile this file, is simple example as javac name of that file, and the name of that file is clexample.java. It's compiled, and now to run this file, the minor difference is java name of that class, that is clexample, and after space I have to pass one value which is going to store as this args of 0. Suppose I have taken as java, enter. The first value from argument is equal to java. Now this word java will be passed as args of 0. Suppose I want to pass two value, then let's copy this line. The second argument value from argument is args of 1. Means after spacing, whatever I am going to write the function or a word will be passed in args of 1. Let's again compile this file and run this file. To compile javac name of that file with extension.java, and now to run this file I have to pass two value. Suppose one is abc and second one is def. Now the first word abc will be passed as args of 0 and the second one, that is def, will be passed as args of 1. The first argument for first value from the argument is abc, that is first value, and after spacing the second will be calculated as args of 1. The second value from the argument is def, that is second value. In additionally, it is not compulsory to write args. It depends on string this name. Suppose I have taken the name as A. as an array. Means whatever I am going to pass the value as common argument will be passed as a in bracket name of index or number of index. Suppose 0 and 1. Let's again compile this file and run this file. Go to compile and now to run. Suppose take a different value as PQR and XYZ. The first value PQR will be passed as a of 0 and second value XYZ will be passed as a of 1. Okay, argument is equal to PQR, second value is XYZ. Something advanced, you can store this value in string also. Suppose string S1 is equal to a of 0 and string S2 is equal to a of 1. Means the value which is passed in a of 0 will be stored in string S1 and the value which is passed on a of 1 will be stored in S2. Let's print this statement. Now I have to simple pass the value as S1 and S2. Means the first two line will be passed the value as common argument and these two value will be stored the value of common argument in string S1 and S2. These two variables. Let's again compile this file and run this file with the different values. Double A and double B. Okay, the first value from the argument is double A. The second value from the argument is BB. And this double A and double B will be printed as from the variable S1 and S2 of the string value. These are actually common argument is working. Thank you for watching this video.